Let the music heal your heart tonight. Close your eyes and feel it. Too many days carrying heavy stone, trying to smile while feeling alone. Running through the noise and the pain, searching for sunshine through the rain. Then a melody touched my soul, like warm fire in the cold. Soft wind whispered through the trees, bringing my heart back to peace. Slow down, hear the river flow, life moving gentle and slow. Every scar gonna fade with time, leave the darkness behind. Music for the soul, let it heal you when the world feels cold. Let it hold you, every heartbeat glowing like gold. Love is stronger than we know. Music for the soul, keep believing, even broken hearts keep breathing. Stars still shine after the storm, you are never alone. Moonlight dancing on the sea tonight, dreamers searching for the light. Every voice got a song to sing, every soul got a pair of wings. No rich man can buy this sound, pure love lifting people now. One sweet rhythm, one embrace, hope shining on every face. If your tears fall like the rain, tomorrow brings another day. Hold on strong through the night, morning gonna make it right. Music for the soul, let it heal you when the world feels cold. Let it hold you, every heartbeat glowing like gold. Love is stronger